what is worship? And some of the ulama have explained that worship is any act of obedience that a person wants to do, that has been legislated in the Sharia. That is now worship. So a person quite often says, well, salah is worship, siyam is worship, zakat is worship. But now me walking down the street and, I don't know, perhaps lowering my gaze, perhaps removing something sinful, harmful, perhaps smiling in the face of my brother. A lot of people will not attach those things to acts of worship. But the Shaykh is saying here, no, all of those things are acts of worship because they are beloved to Allah. When a person is living like that in that state, then he is fulfilling this first principle, Man Rabbuk. If a person is detaching by saying, okay, salah is when he is my Lord, but in the life of the dunya, when I'm just doing whatever I want to do, I'm not conscious to him being my Lord, then again, who's to say that person has got any success that has been written for him? There's no guarantee in that.